This video is about how to use find tool and the replacement tool. Madz Academy. The art of learning. Let's think. If you want to find a word inside the Word document, you can use this find tool. For that, you have to click the find tool inside the home tab. You can see this is in the home tab. It's find, click it, and I here search for help. If there are words with the search item, you can see that all the words are highlighted. You can see that there are many search results and all are highlighted. Then you can find the results separately by clicking these suggestions here. You can see that results 12 out of 30. It means there are 30 results here. This one is the 30th one, and this one is the 27th one. This one is 12th one, like that. You can click the result and you can see where it is placed inside the Word document. Let's think you want to replace a word inside the Word document by another word. Here I select this collapse word and I am going to replace the collapse word by separate. This is the tool we have to use here. It's also in the home tab. It's replace. Click it and you can select the word or we can type it collapse here. I select the word collapse and in this place we can type the word which we want to replace, that collapse. This is the word which we are going to replace that above word. Then I click that replace all button. There are 14 replacement here. Do you want to continue searching from beginning? Yes, I click yes, and we made 15 replacement. Okay, then I close it and check that. You can see that first it was collapse and now it's separate. I showed that we can replace any word inside the Google Word document by using that replace tool.